Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back after a very long break, unplanned break. I didn't want to take a break, but I was just so busy and it was just, but it's okay, I'm back and I'm actually going to Hawaii tomorrow and I need to pack, so I always watch packing videos because it makes me happy. So today let's just make my own. So first of all, I'm packing everything in this Vera Bradley duffel bag. I've been seeing these actually trending on TikTok, like the hot girls still use their Vera Bradley duffel bags or whatever. That's very true that they're great and spacious and hold a lot. Since I don't want to check a bag or pay extra for a bag, this is hopefully going to work. We're only going for 6 days, which is kind of a lot, but not like a month or anything, because that would not work. I just kind of have a pile of things on that chair that I know I want to bring. Okay, so first thing I'm going to put in is this Lululemon tennis skirt. Just bought it. Feel really bougie, honestly. It's going to be cute for hikes and stuff. Just another white tennis skirt. 2 tennis skirts down. Got my staple pair of denim shorts that I wear almost every single day. My tripod finally broke. Gotta make a new one. Perfect. Also, just like a disclaimer, I'm going with my friends and we're all vaccinated and like we're all gonna wear a mask. We all got tested, so we know like Hawaii's a small island, so we want to respect them. So yeah, anyway, back to packing. I also decided to bring these white shorts I got from Urban Outfitters. They're very cute and I think I could just wear them with like a bathing suit top. Next, I think we should pack swimsuits since they're very important. I'm just gonna bring this pink one from Target. Also this just blue one that I got from Ariel. Also, I don't have any like travel organizer things. I'm trying to like put the swimsuits in like a little corner and then the shorts in a little corner and everything. Next is just this little black bikini set, and finally this orange, burnt orange, cute one, also from Ariel. So now that we put all the swimsuits and shorts in, I'm gonna put the tops in. I think I have too many tops, but that's okay. They're all very small. I have this one from Urban Outfitters, kind of confusing, but it looks really good on. Next top is this white, oh my gosh, all these look like rags, but they look really good on. So bringing this, like wraps around your back. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. Just a classic tube top, you know. Love this color, very Hawaiian, I'd say. Normally, whenever I go on vacation, I just plan like all my outfits. I have an itinerary of like what outfits I'm gonna wear, and this time I'm just really not doing that at all, which is honestly a little bit scary for me, but I have a lot of cute things and I think that it will be okay, hopefully. Anyway, next is just this button up white tank top, super basic, plain, you know. It's just this beige top. I think I'm gonna wear it on the plane. I think it's cute and very comfortable. Next is this top. Very cute on. It just looks like a piece of string. And just another plain black top. Just this purple silk top with like a backless back. All these, I feel like you can't even tell what they are, but they look really cute on. That's all that matters. Next, on to more like dressier outfits. With this one, I'm obsessed with. It's like a pink top like this, and then like a really pretty skirt with like a slit in it. I'm gonna wear it out to eat on my birthday because I'm actually going to be spending my birthday in Hawaii. I'm really excited. This orange dress from Princess Polly, super cute, very summery. It just gave me very Hawaii vibes. I'm bringing this shirt actually just to sleep in, and then just this like Post Malone concert t-shirt. Next thing I'm going to pack is just activewear, because I think since we are doing this trip on a budget, a lot of the activities we're doing are hiking. I'm super excited about. So I have all these workout clothes that I haven't used because I haven't worked out, so now I get to finally use them. Some white Lululemons. It's also white Lululemon bra. Wow, look at me, I'm a Lulu girl now. Also just this pink Nike sports bra. Next we have our underwear, not gonna film that. Just this cover up. It's like an orange nice cover up I got from Cotton On. Vera Bradley's kind of holding up. Look, I still kind of have a lot of room. Now on to the toiletries. I'm pretty sure I've packed all my clothes, so I'm just gonna put my toiletries in here. This has been my bag since forever, but I'm just bringing these reusable makeup washing pads. Okay, we have our bamboo toothbrush, my face cleanser, love this, Urban RX, Curology, native deodorant, coconut vanilla, amazing. Then just this Caress travel size shower gel. And then I put my micellar water in this travel little bottle thing. Then I just have my toner in a travel size container as well. And then just a mini loofah. And I think Matthew or Lauren is bringing shampoo, so I'm just gonna use that. I have this eyelash cleaning kit. I think that's all I can fit in here. I just added some swim goggles and then just these shoes that are so cute. Then toothpaste and socks. So now we have to try and zip this up. I really hope this can zip up. Wait, is this even gonna fit on the plane? It's probably not. I'm gonna have to... There's no way I fit all of that in here. Now for my backpack. This is just my chargers, my laptop charger, camera stuff, all that. AirPods, wallet. Then of course I'm gonna bring this camera. Oh, I need to bring this too. Battery charger. We have some pink travel size perfume. Hand sanitizer. I also have this bucket hat got from Urban Outfitters. Now we're gonna do the makeup using this super cute Alpha Kai bag my big gave me. So I'm just putting all my brushes in here, my eyebrow pencil, just 2 lipsticks, my Too Faced foundation, my Kat Von D contour, bronzer, some blush. This bag's huge. Some sunscreen, daily moisturizer, 2 different concealers because I just can't tell which one's my shade really, so it just depends on the day, so I just bring both of them. My Too Faced chocolate bar palette. I'm definitely not up to date with the makeup trends. And my recent favorite, white eyeliner. It's just really good to put in your inner corners. Oh, and highlight, can't forget highlight. This bag just has some hair accessories. I'm just bringing a headband, some clips, puka shell necklace, you know, just in case I'm really feeling it. And of course my hairbrush. Next thing is just masks and my hydro flask. It's obviously empty, but I'm just gonna bring it so I can refill it while I'm there. Then I'm just bringing my laptop. But I think that's basically it for this video. I hope you have a great day and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye!